New Thermal Master P3 camera. I'm facing this issue when calibration is not done or is not applied, and I'm observing on the screen this pixelated image. Sometimes when I move the camera it updates, but the main problem is that I can press on screen calibrate button, it does the calibration, I hear the shutter or calibration shade, I would say, but the image on screen does not change and it remains pixelated. Some algorithms need to be polished because now I don't have a procedure that I could follow. I just randomly move frame to provoke calibration, and it doesn't seem that it's calibration itself, but the issue is applying calibration data to the image. Strange effect. You can see in between my fingers, you can now read clearly. And if I move my fingers away, it seems clearly that there are still some refinements in the firmware and Android app should be made. And suddenly the picture is perfect.